November 3, Charlie Papa Oscar. November 3, Charlie Papa Oscar, Whiskey 7 Tango Mike Delta stroke QRP.
Whiskey 7. This is N3 CPO in Southern Maryland. It's pretty weak. Come on back, please.
Okay, November 3, Charlie Papa Oscar. This is Whiskey 7 Tango Mike Delta stroke QRP. Can just barely hear you into northern Idaho. Name here is Tom, QSL.
Whiskey 7 Tango Mike Delta. This is November 3, Charlie Papa Oscar. I'm sorry, you're very weak. Sometimes I can read you, but the signal seems to be fading in and out.
Okay, QSL, only running 5 watts. 5 watts over here. November 3, Charlie Papa Oscar, Whiskey 7 Tango Mike Delta stroke QRP.
5 watts. That's hard to believe. 5 watts. But I'll tell you, you're doing great for 5 watts. What's your QTH, please?
The QTH here is North Idaho, and I'm recording this on video to load up on YouTube. I've got a couple of videos on there already but yeah, your signal has come up to about an S7 over here, and nice to hear you on the band. Is your name Samuel, according to the logbook here? Over?
I'm sorry, I couldn't read all that. But I'm running 100 watts, and I will go online when I check out your signal here, your call sign, and get a better look at you.
Okay, Samuel, and please look at YouTube if you can, and I'll have a video on YouTube under my call sign, W7TMD, QSL.
I don't do much on the internet. I don't do too much on the internet.
Okay. Well, I'm just doing some recordings here for to show everybody that QRP can work when the band is just right there, Samuel. But thanks for the contact, and I'll let you go, and I'll let you get some more contacts in there. So 73, and hopefully you have a great morning there, or a great afternoon. N3 CPO W7TMD. W7TMD, the N3CPO. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate your call, but your signal is very weak, and a lot of times you fade out in the middle of your set. So 73 to you, and I really appreciate your call. You have a happy holiday for you and your family. All right, thanks, Samuel.